Hi everyone, down in the basement. I got to play around some more with this guy. It's becoming more and more of a Frankenstein. So I guess since last time I got rid of this board, so that's open space here. I added these guys. These are the white wires are going to be signals from like different sensors within the furnace. So there's the inducer pressure sensor, and then there's like some flame out sensors and such. I don't have those wired in. So right now, this is my pressure sensor, which is right over there. It's telling if the inducer is spinning. And then yeah, we got our power coming in. So I got my power distribution happening. Relay for the inducer, relay for the flame igniter, relay for the gas valve that is not hooked up, and relay for the blower. Again, I don't have the gas valve hooked up because that needs to go to 24 volt through here. Minor detail. So for today, this is going to be my flame. So I'm just going to go, I tab this in here. You'll see. It'll tell me flame, yes. So that's good enough for now. Let's turn it on. So really what's going to happen on this side, I'm going to click this button. Inducer, once the pressure comes in, well, it's not coming in right now. Once the pressure comes in, this is going to turn on. We'll see it get nice and red hot. I'm going to fake the flame, and then the blower's going to turn on, and it's going to get really loud. So let's see if I can get a decent place to... And there she is. As soon as I took the flame off, everything shut down as it's supposed to. All right, almost done.